What's up, you internet clicking zombies? It's Biff from the Redneck channel, along with
Nick.
Oh my god, it's Nick. Everybody's been asking, where is he? Where's this? Where's Rolslow? Where's Nick? Well, guess what? Here he is. We're coming to you live from the Redneck Lounge. And this video is going to be Rolslow's EDC.
Alright, so we're going to do my EDC. Alright, we'll just start out. I carry a little pleather change pouch here. I hate loose change in my pocket rattling around. I got the keys of my truck, little Winchester knife here, handcuff key, never know when you might need that, can opener, could come in handy for opening a box or whatever if you're in a pinch. Got the phone, LG NV3, piece of shit if you ask me. Had to return this thing like 4 fucking times. Just a leather Nautica wallet. Just carry my shit around in. Just picked this up. Love it. It's fucking sweet. Leatherman Freestyle. Ain't got, all the special stuff multi-tools got, but it's got the pliers, knife, good for opening shit. Carry this tactical knife here. It's my emergency weapon if I needed one or anything like that. It's Crawford Falcon, like $40 or something. Got it on the Snap-on truck. For my everybody talks shit about cheap holsters. I got this fucking Uncle Mike's here in the pants holster, sidekick. Been using this thing for like 5 fucking years. Comfortable as hell. I ain't gonna spend $50 on a holster that I might not like, That one's $12 fucking dollars, and it I love it. So clear my gun. I carry the Springfield XD subcompact. Got the white on there. Thanks, going deaf and looking for me marbles. Shit is sweet. Love it. I also carry I have a rubber band on there. I have a flashlight with a pressure switch. I keep the palm safety pushed in on there. I just like it like that. And I carry the Hydra-Shock hollow points in there. I don't usually carry +1, but lately I have been.
And there you go, that's Rolslow's EDC. He splurges and buys the really expensive stuff, which is cool. At least one of us can afford it. We'll get to that video a little later. We'll show, a little bit of his collection. But that's it for us rednecks up here in New Hampshire.
The motto says, live free
or die.